In today's lesson, we're going to put some decimal numbers in order. So if we have a problem like this that says put these numbers in order from least to greatest, and we have some numbers here, 59.52, 39.4, 39.17, and 49.5. So the first step is to put the numbers in a place value chart. So here is the place value chart for us. All of these numbers have two numbers to the left of the decimal and one or two numbers to the right of the decimal. So this is the tens column, the ones column, then we have the decimal. After the decimal, we have the tenths, and then we have the hundredths. So let's put them in. So here's 59.52. That's how it looks. 59.52. 39.4 is 39.4. And you make sure you line up the numbers with the columns that they're in, with the place value columns that they're in. So notice two of these don't have a number here. So for those, for all numbers with blanks in the hundredth place, you put in a 0, because that's basically what it means. If there's nothing here, you just put a 0, and that'll make it easier to compare the numbers. Step 3. Start at the highest place value and compare each number. So we start here and we move this way for each number and compare them. So we could see here that 5 is the biggest number. 5 is the biggest number. So we know it goes last, right? And then we could also see that 4 is the next biggest number, so it goes second last. So we don't need to check every single digit here. We automatically know this goes last and this goes second last. Okay? So we could cross those two out. So we're going to put this one last, 59.52, and then 49.4 will be second last. So we know this is the biggest number, this is the second biggest number. Step 4. Look at other place values. All are the same, so we go to the next place value. So these two are the same, so let's go this way, and we see that these two are the same. And now we go to the next place value, we go that way, and we see 4 and 1. So 1 is the smallest, so we know this is the least number. This is the smallest out of these two numbers. So we know this one is going to go first because we're ordering from least to greatest, right? So that's it. We cross those out now. We know that 39.17 is the least, and then after that is 39.4. And that's how you get those in order. And that's the end of this lesson. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. You're probably one explanation away from understanding it. Also, in the description, you can click on it. You'll find video links in there to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. There's a link to the ebook there that is on Amazon Kindle or on another site which is called Ko-fi. You could download it, and in there you'll find this exact lesson. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch this video. There's a link in the ebook to this video explanation. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.